Entertainment. Today I'll be teaching you about some 20 questions which will help you to improve in lesson 8. Okay, so they will be mostly helpful for 7th standards and below. Okay, so please watch this video fully. The first question is, what is the range of a clinical thermometer? I hope you guys know the range of a clinical thermometer is 35 to 42 degrees Celsius. Okay, so now they're asking the normal temperature of a human body, okay, in both Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale. Okay, as we all know, in Celsius scale it is 37 degrees Celsius. Okay, and for Fahrenheit it is the most simplest, 98.4. Okay, 98.4. Alright, okay, so now coming to the third question, it is the bulb of a thermometer is filled with what? Okay, so what is usually the bulb of a thermometer filled with? So what is a bulb? The bulb is the lowest part of the thermometer, or also known as king. Okay, so the bulb is filled with mercury. Okay, it is filled with this mercury. This is mercury. Okay, SI unit of a temperature is. So they asked me what is SI unit of temperature. I hope we have all studied it, that it's Kelvin. Okay, SI unit of temperature is Kelvin, denoted by the letter K. Okay, ventilation in room is due to what? Ventilation in room is due to convection. Okay, so what is convection and why is it convection? Here, think this is a room, this is a window of it, and here there is the hot and warm air which is also not pure. So this air which is fresh, it replaces this air and this goes out. So this replacing process happens until it comes to the room temperature. So this process is known as convection. Okay, I hope you all know this, convection. Okay, so now coming to the sixth question. Sixth question is also easy. Convection occurs in which state? So if convection is come, it should replace. So you can't replace in solid, but you can do it in liquid, hot to cold, and then especially in gases. Okay, so it can be done in liquid state and gas state. And now coming to the seventh question. Sea breeze occurs during which part of the day? Actually, sea breeze occurs during the morning time, that is till the noon. Okay, so sea breeze occurs during the day, not night. Night is land breeze. Heat always flows from hot body to cold body. Okay, not cold to hot, hot to cold. Solar energy reaches to us by the process of radiation. Okay, by the process of radiation, it comes through all the particles and reaches the earth. So coming to the 10th one, it is temperature is measured by a device called as, we all know it, thermometer. Yes. Land breeze occurs during, land breeze occurs during the night. Okay, so here at the night it becomes hot, the land becomes hot, and this air comes from there. And so the 13th question, woolen cloths keep us warm during winter. Okay, so woolen cloths, it has layer of them, and woolen is a good insulator of heat, so it traps it. Okay, so it during winter. And this, when the temperature is raised, then the molecular vibration is increased. Okay, so like when you increase the temperature, like let's take an example of boiling a solid. So when you boil the solid, it becomes into liquid, which means the intermolecular space or the molecular vibration will increase. Okay, the motion will increase. If two metals are in contact, if and only if they are of different temperature. Same temperature means both are same, don't think like it will become, one substance will become more hot. No, it's not like that. And then the other thing is, you can't think of many other items, like it may be of different processes, different states. It should be only one state, because contact of heat can only happen in solids. Okay, so if only they are in different temperatures. Mode of transfer of heat which requires no material medium is radiation. As we know, the sun's rays come to earth without a medium. Okay, so that process is known as radiation. 17th one, when a solid directly becomes gas, then the process is called, I know that you would have studied it, it's sublimation. It's a very simple thing. Okay, so this process is known as sublimation. Okay, when a substance is heated, its intermolecular space, as I said for the 14th one, when we heat a solid, it turns into liquid. So in this, the intermolecular space will decrease. Okay, they're asking intermolecular space, the space. Okay, not the force. Actually, even the force will. In this 18th question, even the force will decrease. 19. Black bodies are. So they're asking what black bodies are in doing of related to heat. So always black bodies are good good insulators, of good absorbers of heat, to say in a more better way. Okay, so they are good absorbers. Okay, good absorbers of heat. Okay, so the black bodies are good absorbers of heat. Mercury is used in thermometer because it has a low melting point. Okay, so whenever there's a high temperature, it does not melt itself. Okay, now if you did like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Okay, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to watch more of my upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye bye.